If you've ever printed a Word document and noticed hidden text showing up on the page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable printing hidden text in Microsoft Word so your documents print exactly the way you expect. This is a quick but really important setting, especially if you work with drafts, templates, comments, or any text you've hidden on purpose and do not want included in the final printout. Before we jump in, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the document you want to print. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main Backstage menu, where Word keeps all of its settings and options. From there, scroll down and click Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where you can adjust how Word behaves across your documents. Now, in the Word Options window, look at the left-hand menu and click Display. This section controls how Word shows content on your screen and how it handles certain printing settings. Once you're in Display, scroll down until you see the section called Printing Options. This area includes several checkboxes that affect what gets included when you print. Find the option that says Print Hidden Text. If that box is checked, Word will include hidden text when printing your document. To disable that, simply uncheck the box. This tells Word to leave hidden text out of your printed pages, which is exactly what you want if you've hidden content for editing or formatting purposes. After unchecking it, click OK at the bottom of the window to save the change. That's it, the setting is now updated. To make sure everything worked, you can go to File, then Print, and preview the document before actually printing it. In the print preview, hidden text should no longer appear. If you still see unexpected content, double-check that the setting was saved correctly and that you're printing the right version of the file. This is one of those small Word settings that can save you from a big printing mistake, especially when you're sharing professional documents or preparing final drafts. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.